Welcome to the Engine Oil Analysis channel. Today we're going to do an oil analysis check on this generator that I serviced back in November, November 3rd, 2022. Today is January the 7th, 2023. So the oil has been in there roughly 8 to 9 weeks, about 2 months. It's done on average 8 hours a day. So you're talking about 2 months, roughly 60 days times 8. What's that? About 480 hours. We are using the Motul SA10W60. Also, I put in there. I changed it to a thicker grade because, as I told you, the oil level went down with the lower grade oil I put in there. Was a 5W30, a Mobil 1 5W30. It went down to a level where I couldn't even test it, so I had to dilute that oil with a monograde SA50, which lowered the grade, and I think when I tested it was like a 3. But the last test that made me change oil was back in November 3rd, was a 10. It had done 8 months, and in this engine, on average 6 to 8 hours a day. So let's first of all check to see whether we can actually see any oil on the gauge. It's been 2 months now. Let's take a grade. Let's have a look to see if the oil has gone down. We'll open up. Let's open up the oil gauge point there, and I'll bring it out. We'll put some oil in there. Let's have a look. Oh, the oil has not gone down. If you have a look, I don't know if you can see the dipstick. The oil has not gone down at all in 2 months. So 400 and something hours later, I still have relatively good oil in there. Well, when I say good oil, I mean oil that has not gone down. So let's put this back in there, get some more oil out of the engine. This oil was a number 1. It's 100% fully synthetic 10W60. I think this should be enough now. I should have enough to do a test. So we'll put this cover back on, and let's get ourselves ready for the test. And just wipe up the cover there, and let's get our oil ready for the test. Keep the oil in my hand here. Let's make sure it doesn't pour over, and create a flat place. First of all, to put the oil down. And now let's get out our device. There we go. I already cleaned it up, so it's ready for use. Let's put it on. We have 1 and 10 flashing. And let's pour in our sample. Oh. About 400 hours later, let's see. It's roughly 2 months. Oh, did I do the maths? It's not 60 times. I'll keep it simple. 60 times 60 times 6 hours. That's 360. So yeah, that's about 400 plus hours. Wanted to make sure my maths was right. So it's about 400 plus hours, because this engine is used Monday through Sunday every day. So let's go. Have a sample in there. We're ready to test. The results are, ooh, it's still a number one. Wow. This is a good oil. It's a really good oil. Still have a number one, and it's been 400 and something hours, about 400 hours plus. 2 months in the engine. Just over 2 months, so it's looking good. And if you find this video informative and you like it, please click the like button and please subscribe to get further updates on our videos. Thank you and goodbye.